Dok-Ing Africa is the agent for all Dok-Ing Croatia products in Africa. Dok-Ing developed the world's first extra low profile or XLP dozer, and Dok-Ing Africa currently focuses on marketing the extra low profile dozer to the Southern African underground mining companies. The extra low profile Dok-Ing dozer has been successfully tested and operated in narrow reef mining conditions since 2003. The first Dok-Ing dozer was developed in 2003 because the South African mining industry expressed a need for a small machine which could assist with the cleaning of stopes after blasting. In 2003, there were 2 machines at one site operating in the Rustenburg area under research and testing conditions. Now, in 2008, having successfully tested the Dok-Ing dozers, there are 9 Dok-Ing dozers operating at 3 different sites. Furthermore, by the end of 2009, we will have more than 30 Dok-Ing dozers doing the job for our clients. In less than 5 years, the exponential growth in the number of Dok-Ing dozers implemented in South African mines indicates that the whole Dok-Ing Africa product and service commitment is fitting together with the needs of our clients and will continue to do so. Don't send a man to do a machine's job. Dozer characteristics. Key characteristics and benefits. Original design and construction based on extensive experience and study of user needs. Sound technology based on an integral approach. High mobility and flexibility. Safety of personnel. Cost effectiveness and rationalism. Excellent efficiency and productivity. The robust design of the Dok-Ing dozer meets the strict requirements of the mining environment, which include intensive use in the most severe working conditions, ability to work in extremely high temperatures, high performance, modular design, lowest possible maintenance, and environmental protection. The Dok-Ing dozer is made from high-quality materials, some made in-house and some made by large international companies, thus ensuring reliability and availability of the spares for the client. We maintain adequate stock of parts in our workshop and on each site. The Dok-Ing dozer has a fail-safe system to prevent a runaway machine. This system works if there's an engine power failure, then the final drive will fully apply brakes. To recover the dozer, a fail-safe key has to be released, then the machine can be towed to a safe working area. The fire suppression system is also installed to prevent a fire from burning out of control. The operating tool for digging and pushing in front of the machine was designed as a dozer blade. It is controlled by a single operator using a simple and convenient hand remote control unit. The Dok-Ing dozer machine weighs approximately 4 tons and is capable of handling 50 to 120 tons of ore per hour as tested at an Anglo-Platinum mine. The Dok-Ing dozer is propelled by a hydrostatic system through a final drive system to the track system. Because of its dimensions, very good maneuverability, high engine power and low track ground pressure, the Dok-Ing dozer can work year-round in almost all conditions. The Dok-Ing dozer has proven that it can work continuously in the stopes with inclinations of up to 30 degrees. The Dok-Ing dozer is easily accessible for inspection, maintenance, troubleshooting, repair and/or replacement. Maintenance and repairs can be carried out on the field or in workshop conditions. The tools required for repairs and maintenance are standard wrenches and some specially modified tools. The Dok-Ing dozer is extremely simple to operate by remote control. Our experience has shown that most people can learn within a period of several days to operate the machine. The use of the short-range data communication system ensures that the operator can direct the machine at a safe distance. The remote control completely shuts out interference. The physical separation of the operator from the machines increases safety of operator because the operator is able to stand in a safe position while operating the Dok-Ing dozer. The remote control allows the operator to move around the machine and thus has a 360 degrees perspective. The further benefit is that the operator can better inspect and assess each situation and is able to make better informed decisions. Dok-Ing Africa is committed to continuous improvements and client satisfaction, and every challenge is approached in a constructive manner. This commitment has led to upgrades to the initial design with the same initial guiding principle. During the last few years, various improvements were made on the Dok-Ing dozer in order to ensure excellent performance and easy maintenance of the equipment. The latest generation of XLP dozers, the 5th generation, are performing extremely well at various locations where they are employed. Don't send a man to do a machine's job. Basic technical characteristics of the Dok-Ing dozer. Dimensions of the prime mover: length 2,600 mm, width 1,380 mm, and height 830 mm. Dimensions with tool: length 3,480 mm, width 1,600 mm, and height 830 mm. Weight with tool: 4,150 kilograms. The engine is a Deutz diesel 3100 cc 4-cylinder engine. The power rating is 88 horsepower at 2,800 rpm. The electrical system has 24-volt headlamps and tail lamps. It has a 45-litre fuel capacity. Its fuel consumption is 6 to 12 litres per hour. It uses 110 litres of hydraulic oil. Its propulsion is hydrostatic. The drivetrain is track-driven. It has a travelling speed of 0 to 3 km an hour. It has a working speed of 0.3 to 1.2 km an hour. It has a 13 cm clearance. It has a 50 to 120 ton per hour productivity. The chassis is made of 20 mm steel plate. Its armour is 10 mm shrapnel resistant plate. It uses a crew of 1 operator via remote control. Data communication FSK 433 MHz. The lights are 34 LED to 7000 MCD. For more details about the Dok-Ing dozer, call 082 553 0674 or 011 706 8625.